Good evening, dear student. Today in this class, we'll study about magnification, like maybe convex mirror, maybe concave mirror. We'll study how magnification can be found. So, dear student, clearly observe these two figures. So, this is image formation in a concave mirror, and it is image formation in a convex mirror. So, here it is a height of that object, and it is a height of the object can be denoted by HO. And image height we can generate has a hi. So here object we can place here, that is a ho, object height. So image height hi. Then what is magnification? Like this means magnification can be defined as the ratio of image height so to the object height, that is magnification. So magnification is nothing but the ratio of image height so to the object height. So that is what magnification of spherical mirror. So this is what magnification definition. So magnification is defined as the ratio of image height so to object height. So even we can say magnification is equal to, so negative ratio of that is image distance to object distance. So V is image distance and U is object distance. That may be that concave mirror or maybe convex mirror. So this is what magnification. So suppose magnification m is greater than 1. Magnification is greater than 1 means, so hi divided by ho is greater than 1. That is hi divided by ho is greater than 1. So hi you keep there only. This divided ho should be said 1 into ho is ho, means image height is greater than ho. When magnification is greater than 1, so image height is greater than object height. Means image is enlarged. Image is enlarged. Enlarged than object image, object height. Suppose magnification is less than 1. Magnification is less than 1 means image height divided by object height is less than 1. Means hi you keep the only image height. So here divided ho should not say multiply with 1 into ho, that is ho. That is image height is smaller than object height. So image is diminished. We can say image is diminished. Image is diminished or smaller in size. Suppose magnification is 1. Magnification is 1 means that is hi divided by ho is equal to 1. So image height divided by object height is equal to 1. So image height you keep there only. So divided object height you should not say. So multiply with 1, that is object height. Means image height is nothing but object height. Both are same size. So image is same. Both are same size. So even object height and image height are both are same. So these 3 points to be noted. So this is what a magnification. So in concave mirror, both image height is negative and object height is positive, because it is perpendicular, it is parallel to positive y-axis and it is parallel to negative y-axis. So it is negative, it is positive. Image height is negative. So sometimes when the object is placed between P and F, we can get image here that will be virtual and erect. At the time, both image object and the image height will be positive. At the time, we can get magnification 1. So magnification is positive or negative in case of concave mirror. But in case of convex mirror, object is always placed towards right of towards left of pole of the mirror. So it is negative. Object is height is always negative. So here object image can be formed to behind the mirror. So it is positive x-axis. So this is always be positive. So here, no, no. So here both object and image both are perpendicular to principal axis and parallel to positive y-axis. So both object height and image height are both are positive. So magnification is always be positive in convex mirror. Magnification is always positive. So here magnification can be positive. Sometimes it may be negative also. So these things you should be knowing. I think it is very easy concept. So try to understand all these steps and make notes. After that, try to subscribe this channel. When you subscribe this channel, whenever they do videos, it will reach you soon. And try to share it. So these points make on notes. So magnification ratio is same for both spherical mirrors. If you not understood, try to comment.